Now, the next one we're going to look at is filter. So to understand filter, let's go back to our browser console. So filter is very similar to map in the sense that it's also going to take a function that gets iterated over each element in our array. So let's do this again, except this time I'm going to say my array is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, filter is exactly as it sounds. We want to filter out the elements in our array based off of the function that we pass it. And filter will also give us back a new array instead of modifying my array. So what we're going to do in order to use filter is we're going to write .filter, and just like earlier with .map, we're going to get the element as the argument of our function, and what we're going to return is actually a true or false value. So let's say, for example, I wanted to filter out anything that was less than 5. Well, I would essentially say if the element is greater than 4, right? So whatever returns true will be the thing that gets kept in our array. So whatever element will get kept in our array is based on whether or not the evaluation of this is true. So if, for example, we just return true, well, we would get back our whole array. If we return false, right, we would get back nothing. So if we wanted just whatever was 5 or greater, then we would say as long as the element is greater than 4. Because if the element is 1, 1 is not greater than 4, right? So that will be false. And that's why it'll filter out 1 and 3. And this array that we get back is a new array. My array is still the same array. And that's what filter is. So remember that. Filter also returns back a new array, except it filters out anything where the function's condition returns false. Anything that returns true, it'll keep in the new array.